storm, please don't leave me for too long. For thunder has become the words of my song. For thunder has